everybody, and welcome back to my channel. Yes, I'm here to bring you guys my 90% off Target haul. Funny thing is, this morning I couldn't sleep because I was so excited to get up, get dressed, and head to Target this morning. Good thing is there's a website, and I've showed you guys this website, Brickseek. I love this site. I actually can see what if it got marked down without even calling the store. So what I ended up doing is there was a costume that I wanted that I thought would be kind of cool to have, and I just typed in, sorry, Paris is trying to get in by me. She can't hear me, but I wanted this costume, so I just typed in grill costume because there is a costume that I thought would be kind of cool to have, and I typed in grill costume. It showed me that Target had it, and then I clicked, what store had that, and it showed that 2 of my stores that are in my area had it, and a bunch of other stores. And it all said 70% off last night. And I'm like, okay, tomorrow's definitely the day. So Tuesday the 5th is definitely the day where it's going to get marked down to 90% off. Because last year I checked out my last year's Target video, and it was again November 5th. So I get up and I'm like, okay, let's see what the price is today. And it still showed it was 70% off. But all the surrounding stores, besides the 2 that I always shop at, were all 90% off. So I called one of the stores and I says, hey, is one of your stores, say I don't trust my cat, is one of your stores, or I'm like, is your store going to 90% off? He's like, no, I had one other person call back in a couple days and we'll let you know if it hits 90% or not. I'm like, in a couple days you guys will pretty much get rid of it. But I'm like, okay, I already know the answer. So there might be a possible chance that it hits 90% off tomorrow. And if it does, I will definitely go back and check it out. I may or may not do a second Target haul, but I actually got everything that I went to. I went to the other side of town, which is 30 minutes away, and got some stuff, which I was pretty excited for. I had my mind set on certain items, but if I wasn't able to get them, because Brickseek can't guarantee that their counts are always correct, but I wanted to be like, okay, I want to get this and I want to get that. And the one thing that I really wanted to get is clothing for the kids and goodie stuff for the goodie bags, because you guys saw what I got with my 90% off haul. So let me dig in and share with you guys what I got. I got over $260 worth of stuff. My receipt is right here, you guys. I only paid $34.84 for everything. It came to never mind, I was wrong. It came to $346. I ended up adding everything together, but $346 later. So I'm just going to show you guys the smallest bag that I have. I saw these little projector lights. I thought these were kind of cool to have. They were $10, so that means they were $1 a piece, but I thought these are kind of cool, and you can put them in the house or outside. I thought I should have these out on my patio or on the garage or something like that. I do have one of those projector things, but I lost it. I think it's actually packed away with my Christmas stuff. So I thought this was kind of cool, and I'm actually going to pack this up as I pack up all my Halloween things. But I ended up getting a little bat. Again, this was $1. And then I got a ghost. Ben just started putting stuff in the cart, and I'm like, Ben, stop putting stuff in the cart. Well, it's cool, Mom. I understand it's cool, kid, but just stop putting everything in the cart. So I ended up getting him this Stormtrooper. He's not really into Star Wars, but I thought, it's a t-shirt. He can wear this at night. But this is a Stormtroopers t-shirt of a skeletons. It said, Creepin' It Imperial. I don't even understand. But I thought, sure, why not? He can wear this. This was $88.99, so I got this for 89 cents. Thought for 89 cents for a t-shirt, you guys, that is perfect. I found some socks, and I went over to the dollar spot. They had some socks sitting up there, they tried to took them all away, but I actually did not price check these because I thought these were 90% off, and then when I looked at my receipt, these actually rung up to only 50% off for the dollar spot. Which I'm okay with. So I got these socks for 50 cents. I thought, why not? These are socks. This is a pair of socks that Ben can wear right now. This is something he could wear if he wanted to. Otherwise, I'll just save those for Charlotte. He wanted this costume. It's a taco, no, it's not even a taco truck. It's just a food truck. It says Funhouse Burgers. He wanted it. I'm like, whatever, try it on. So he tried it on. He liked it. This was originally $25, you guys. It says it's kids and adults, so anybody can wear it. And this is one thing I like about these costumes are, if we don't wear it next year, he can wear it until he's a teenager, or he can wear it as an adult. I don't care. But this was 25 bucks, and we got it for $2.50. Yeah, so I gotta fold this up somehow and put it with our costumes. But I thought for $2.50, I will go ahead and keep that. This is a costume I really wanted. I thought this is kind of cool. I mean, if we all go as food next year, I thought this was kind of cool. So this is a grill. Okay, you guys. This is a grill. You just kind of wear it just like this. But this is what it was. It's got, I think this is what, chicken or something like that. You got brats, kebabs. This was originally $30, and I got it for $3. So I thought that was kind of cool. Ben was a slice of pizza this year that I got last year for Halloween, and people just love that costume. And I would never spend $30 for this fabric. I mean, this is something you guys can make yourself. But I thought, you know what, for $3, we'll go ahead and take that. And then I got another big costume, which I have a baby one of this, but Ben is a little too big, so he wasn't able to wear this. But I'm thinking next year, you guys, I could go as the grill. Graham could go as the food truck, or he could go as the grill, and I could go as the food truck. And Charlotte and Ben can go as cheeseburgers, because I do have a baby, little kid costume of the cheeseburgers. I think this was originally $30, or it was $20. I cannot remember, but when I got to the register, I did not have a tag on it. And plus, there's holes in here, and I did not realize it until after I got to the register. So they gave this to me for just $2. I'm like, you know what? I'll take it for $2. You know, so why not? So there is another costume that we got, you guys. So that's stuff that I can wear, Ben can wear, anybody can wear for the rest of how long we want to wear it. Yeah. Okay. Now I'm just going to dig you into, you guys. And this is a big bag. A big bag. And I'm going to go pretty fast because I don't want to bore you. So this is a cute little costume. This is a 18-month to 24. So this is something Charlotte's going to wear for Halloween next year. But it's like a little fancy witch costume. This was 25 bucks. Like, who spends this money? Like, I can't recall. But I got it for $2.50. So I thought that was kind of cool. And it comes with a little witch hat that she can wear. So I thought for $2.50, yeah, we're going to definitely go ahead and have her wear that. And then I also grabbed the Target catalog because I never got one in the mail. There is a phone. It has a bunch of toy prices in here. And then there's something in here that you guys can text. Hold on, my phone's ringing. Phone is ringing. But there is a phone. There is a thing that you guys can text. You guys can text this all the way up until November 23rd, but you guys can get 25% off any toy. And then I've been showing you guys the daily videos, so you guys can top that with that. But I just wanted to give you guys a heads up, if you guys are not watching those videos, that I do give you guys a daily deal. So we got that. So one thing I did find on Brickseek, and I'm like, like I said, I just kind of wanted an idea what the prices were, but I ended up finding these dresses. Now, I did not find this anywhere near the 90% off thing. I went over in the kids section because you got to check end caps. You got to go to the areas because there's times their stuff gets misplaced. That's how you find the really good stuff. Well, I found this little like mini dress, and I'm like, wait a minute. That's what I found on Brickseek. I'm like, that looks like the same exact dress that I saw on Brickseek. So I'm like, I'm going to price scan this. So this was a little mini dress. It's got like that little swimsuit material. It's got like the swimsuit bottom, and then it's got like the little dress. It's all one piece. I thought this is adorable. You guys check this out. This is $22.99, okay? $22.99. Scanned it, came out to $2.29. I'm like, I'm so getting this, and I got every single size they had because this dress is so awesome. And then when I resell this, you guys, I will actually ask for more money than what I paid. That's how I shop. That's what I like to do. So like if you guys ever need to buy costumes, buy the baby stuff and sell it next year for $5. I'm just saying, if you guys want to resell stuff, that's what I did with some of the Charlotte stuff that I bought last year that she didn't wear. I ended up making a profit. So I ended up getting this in all 3 sizes because this is just too gosh darn cute to get it. So again, I got them in 3 sizes. So I have a 3T, I have a 2T, and then I have a 4T. I'm like, I'm sorry, but this is just too gosh darn cute for her. So I just had to get that. And then I got some more stuff, so I'm just gonna be quickly with you guys on that. I ended up Ben pointed this out. He wanted this for his sister, and I thought that's fine. A little snow cone outfit. So if like next year it gets super cold out, she can either be the witch or she can also dress as a snow cone. Like this year it was 21 degrees. 21 degrees for Halloween. But I thought this is super cute. She can be a snow cone if she wants. So this was, I think, $25. So you guys can get this for $2.50. So got that. I always check out clothing. I found some leggings that they had. These are Cat and Jack. These were $6. I got them for 60 cents. And I'm like, you know what? I'm buying them all because... Not all of them, but I'm like, I'm buying every single size because you can't go wrong with leggings for 60 cents. So I got her a 3T. I also got her a 4T. And then I also got her an 18, which I can't find right now. They had some hooded sweatshirts of like a cat. I thought these were super cute to have. This was $16, so I got this for $1.60. So this is a 3T. So I thought that'd be something she can wear, and it's a cat, so why not? And then I also got the same thing in a 4T, because that's how I shop, you guys. I always shop. You know, the kids are not picky. I don't give a crap. I found this little pajama. I don't even know if this is pajamas, but it came with a tutu. But this was, it says Fabulous. It was $12.99. It's a 3T. I got this for $1.29, but it comes with like some pants, a little tutu, and then a shirt. I thought those are cute little pajamas, and she can always wear that tutu, you know, for anything. Here is another pair of the leggings. Like I said, 18 months. So those. Another shirt for Benjamin. This is just Spider-Man's face, and this was $8.99 also. So I got this for 89 cents. So we got that, and then everything else in here is what I'm going to give to the kids for Halloween next year. Like, you guys watched that 90% off video. So I ended up getting fake fingers. There's 8 fake fingers in here. I grabbed everything they had for the fake fingers. I thought for $1, and there's 8 of them in here, I think that's a great deal. I don't know if these glow in the dark, but I definitely had to get those. These were 10 cents. Like, I go crazy over this stuff. That's why I want to go back to another Target so I can get more of these, because you can't go wrong. I got bouncy balls for the kids. These were $1. There's 6 of them in here, so bouncy balls for next year. So I got those for 10 cents a piece. And then I got more of the erasers. Now this is a great deal. Now there's 24 erasers in here. They're skull heads. These were $3, so I got them for 30 cents. I think I got like 6 of these bags. And then between like the fingers and the bouncy balls, I got like, I don't even know. If you guys can see how much I got, that's what I got. So I save all this stuff for Halloween for next year for the little goodie bags. But they didn't have like spiders or bats or anything. But I want to definitely check out some more stores to get that, because that stuff never goes wrong. It never goes bad or anything. It just, you know, I can use it, and if I don't use all of it next year, I can use it again. We usually have about 130 kids that show up, but this year, since it was 20 degrees, we only had like almost 60 kids, so kind of disappointed, but I am ready for next year, you guys. But yeah, I got everything for $34.84. I even saved $1.75 with using the Target red card, so that was 5% off, but that was my price after the Target red card was $34.91 is what everything came out to be. So I basically got all my tax for free from using the red card. But I am definitely super excited with everything that I got. I'm trying to avoid getting things that I'm not going to use, and I mostly wanted to get stuff for the kids, clothing for the kids, and costumes, because I'm a cheap, frugal person. But Now, hey guys, if you guys enjoyed this video, please let me know by giving this video a thumbs up. Definitely check out your guys' store. You can go to Brickseek. You guys can type in like one of the costumes that I showed you guys, and you can see if your store has it. You can see if your store has it for 70 or 90%. Some stores never even hit 90. Some stores start, you know, getting rid of everything. So I'm going to keep an eye out and maybe possibly go to Target tomorrow after work, because I like to save money. Definitely check your Starbucks area. They might still have some Halloween stuff that they didn't mark on sale. Just saying, you guys. Again, thank you guys for watching, and I will see you guys for another Halloween haul soon. Either from Walgreens, CVS, or Michael's is coming up. I don't know the exact days, but I will show you guys once I find out. Again, thanks for watching, and bye-bye.